Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is August monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, what are the messages for you? What's going Cancer, Tower with Ace of Swords. Maybe you're undergoing some tower moment and you decided to cut off someone from your life. There is some truth coming out, communication, clarity. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Cups and Two of Wands. I think there is no partnership, there is no collaboration between you and your person. But you are very emotional and you are very caring and giving person. Queen of Cups energy. Cancer, you are very emotional person and you are thinking about someone or something a lot. Two of Wands energy, and for some this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, and you are investing your money in some businesses. You are creating more money in financial wise. Then present, Six of Wands, Four of Cups and the Devil. You are getting success for your hard work. You are getting recognition for your hard work. Everyone appreciates you. Everyone recognizes for your hard work, because Six of Wands getting success, especially in your career. Then Four of Cups with the Devil. So there is a missed opportunity in love. So you're feeling sad, but this person is toxic for you. Maybe this person is very dominative in and out of your life, causing so much deception in the connection. This is very dark energy, Cancer. And the Devil, maybe they are obsessed with you. They want to be with you, but they don't want to offer commitment. That type of situation. You decided to cut off this person from your life for some, because future energy is the Empress, Four of Swords and Seven of Pentacles. They keep putting you in waiting mode. You are always waiting for them to come back. Maybe you are always waiting for them. Whatever, there is waiting, lot of waiting in this connection. And you stand by your power. You will be in this energy near future. You are very grounded. Okay, so you are very grounded. You will be in this energy near future, and so you are undergoing some healing, and you are undergoing some healing process. You are doing meditation, and you want to end this energy. You are hating to be in waiting mode, to be frank, because Ace of Swords with the Tower movement, you are fed up with this energy. So you want to cut off this person from your person, and there is communication clarity is also coming. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Cancer, what's going between you and your person? So Cancer, your person feelings towards you. One card is popped out, the World. Your person feelings towards you. Five of Cups, Nine of Cups. A lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Under the deck, Tower. And your person also undergoing the Tower movement. So the same cycles repeating between you and your person. Again and again. Again and again. They're feeling sad. They're feeling lonely. and they're wishing for something. Maybe it could be reconciliation, but they are wishing for something, and there is separation, and they're feeling sad. They're undergoing some tower moment. So let's see their actions, then we will get clarity what they are wishing for. So your person actions towards you, Cancer. Three of Wands, Five of Swords, Judgment, Page of Pentacles. There is communication, messages coming. I already told you. And Three of Wands with Five of Swords. There is waiting again. That's why you fed up with this energy. They're putting you in waiting mode. Again, waiting game is going between you and your person. Five of Swords. Maybe they backstabbed on you. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. There is something involved in this connection. And Judgment, they are going to be make some major decision. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they are going to be make some major decision. But what the decision is about. I think one more card. They're heartbroken literally, and Two of Swords. They're confused. They don't know which decision they have to make. And the Empress, maybe they also very powerful and they stand by their power. They are very grounded. But right now they are heartbroken. They're missing you because Five of Cups with the Three of Swords. But they're going to be make some major decisions right now. Your person confused, to be frank. Yeah, again it's a Tower with Ace of Swords. You both are on the same page. You both undergoing the Tower moment, and Ace of Swords, there is clarity and truth coming out. Communication is coming. Communication with clarity is coming. So yeah, they're willing to come back. Knight of Cups, but it and with Chariot, it is very, very slow moving. Yes, there will be some movement in near future, but it is very, very slow. They're taking their steps towards you very slowly, because right now your person is confused. So they're in a lot of confusion. So that's why they're taking their time to come towards you. But there is communication with clarity is coming, and they're going to be make some major decision. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Cancer. Page of Cups. Popped out while shuffling. Maybe they want to say apology to you. So let's see. You want this happiness, but maybe you're in separation. You want this happiness, it is not happening, and you decided to walk away. Now you are concentrating on your career. Lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. They want this happiness with you. Right now your person is guarded because there is so much confusion. And King of Pentacles with Queen of Pentacles. See, you both are couple, definitely, and they want to take this relationship to next level, but it will take some time. Right now your person is juggling, and King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, you both are very career oriented also. So yeah, they want to offer stability, but it will take some time. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I have too much going on my life. Holding back, yes, because I am not feel good enough for you. They're taking their time. I will never forget you. Last card. I am feeling sad without you. Yes, they're feeling sad without you. The messages are they will never forget you. They are holding back. They have too much going on their life, and they are not feel good enough for you, and they're feeling sad without you. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Cancer. Step out of your comfort zone. So if you want to achieve anything, but you are not doing a proper plan, but this is the message: step out of your comfort zone, do things consistently, then you will see the result. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.